2017 Mercedes Benz GLC 300 transmission fluid and filter replacement. So as you see, we already took off the filter, and just for your information, the filter and the oil pan, they are the solid thing, they are a part of each other. It takes 5 cord, so all the screws has to come off. I'm gonna show you the procedure, how you're gonna work on it. There is a bracket goes under the transmission. With the transmission mount, you need to take it off to get the job done. But there is a kind of procedure. I already have the part. Let's go over there. We're gonna see what's going on over here. Okay, this is the brand new filter. Like I said, this is the old one, this is the new one. Okay, so we need to remove that filling nozzle from here. There is 2 tab, and install it here. So be very careful about this. Is the plastic. You're not gonna tight it more than that, and then you turn it counterclockwise, it's gonna come off. So we have position 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you gotta use the Allen and from the inside turn it from position 1 to position 4 to let the fluid drain. Then you take then you take the oil pan out. When you take the oil pan out, you're gonna need to use that tool to put it back on the location, position 1, and use the special tool to fill it up with the proper transmission fluid. We're gonna have 5 quart of that 80th transmission fluid, fill it up, and then tie it back to the position 4, because you have 1 for refill, 2 and 3, 2 for the cold check up the level, 3 for warm up check up the level, and 4 for the closing. That's all you need to do. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.